Today we're going to be looking at measuring G using a pendulum. So that's basically what it looks like. And this is an example. I've just got a small weight attached with some paracord. Okay, so here's the calculations. You take the top equation and then you can derive the formula for G, and then you measure the length of the pendulum. Mine was 62.0 centimeters, which goes to 0.620 meters. Well, sorry about that. We're going to use 20 periods, so 20 oscillations. You divide that total time by 20, you repeat that by 3, you get the average. Put that in for time, and you solve. And I got 9.815 meters per second. The accepted value is 9.81. Well, it's slightly lower than that, but we then can solve for our percent error, and it's 0.05. So that's pretty good, pretty accurate, considering we're literally just using a pendulum and a weight. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.